Hi and welcome back to the BakeDeco channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a simple wedding cake using our line of Au Creme Gumpaste Flowers. And here we are with our plain white buttercream wedding cake. We are going for a 3-tier design today, and we're going to be adding a pearl border. Our pearl border is going to be made of our Au Creme white sugar pearls, and we're going to add it to the bottom of each border. But before we do that, since our buttercream has already set, this cake has already been crumb coated, iced, and chilled. Our buttercream is set and has formed a skin. So what we want to do is take a brush, a soft brush, dip it in a little bit of water, and you want to pass that brush along each of the bottom borders of your tiers. And this is going to create an adhesive effect for your pearls. So you just want to gently brush the bottom of each tier. You want to be careful not to pull off any buttercream, but this is going to help your pearls stick. If your cake is freshly iced, then you should have no problem being able to stick the pearls onto your cake. So now that we've brushed each layer, we're gonna go ahead and start adding our pearls. We are gonna start off with our bottom tier, and we're gonna keep our paintbrush and water handy just in case the water dries up. We wanna be able to add more. And we're gonna be using our Au Creme sugar pearls. Now the easiest way to stick these onto your cake would be with tweezers. If you don't have tweezers, you can also use your hands. It just might be a little more difficult, but you can do it like that as well. And now we're just gonna be placing our pearls at the bottom of each tier to create our border. If you're enjoying today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. And here we have our completed pearl border, and now we're ready to add our flowers. Today we're going to be decorating our cake with beautiful Au Creme Gumpaste flowers. We're going to be doing white and pink with a little pop of green, and we're also going to be adding white leaves. And these are all available at BakeDeco.com, and you can find the link in the description below. For today's design, we're going to be focusing on our top 2 tiers. That's where our flowers are going to be, and we want to start off with the largest piece or pieces, and then you want to go ahead and just work your way around those. And we're just going to place our flowers into the cake here. What I'm going to actually do to add some extra support here is I'm going to be placing other flowers right in between the wiring. Rose with another one under. And now we're going to do the same thing with this piece here, and we're going to place a pink rose for some added support. And now we're just going to add some extra flowers and build around these 2 pieces. Pink rose that we're going to add. And now that our flowers are complete, we're gonna start adding our white leaves. I'm just gonna add a few, pointing in different directions. We hope you enjoyed today's simple and elegant wedding cake design. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.